Hello, first grade scientists, and welcome back for today's job. Our target skill for today is I can identify and describe the 4 seasons. You may already know these seasons by name. They are winter, spring, summer, and autumn, or it can also be called fall. Do you know what season we are in right now? Winter. Look closely at this picture and see if you can see some signs of winter or things that in the picture that describe what winter is like. I see that it is cold. I can tell that it is cold because there is snow. There is not a lot of plants. And if you look closely at the trees, boys and girls, there are no leaves on the trees. There are also not many animals out. Do you know what many animals do in the winter? Many animals go find a warm place to stay during the winter. Those are just some things about winter. Our next season is spring. Look closely at this picture with me as we look for signs of spring. In this picture, I can see that it is getting warmer because there is only a little bit, if not any, snow. I see green grass. I see on the trees that there are flowers or buds beginning on the trees. Soon there will be leaves. I see lots of flowers over here because spring is when people start planting their gardens again, because it is getting warmer. In the springtime, lots of animals lay their eggs or give birth to their babies. The next season is summer. When I look at this picture of summer, I see lots of signs that it is warm. Look at the trees. They have all of their leaves. I see here some apples that have been picked from a tree. I see lots of flowers and green grass as well. A clear blue sky shows me that it is summer. Our last season is fall or autumn. Do you see signs of this season in this picture? If you look closely, the grass is not as green. The leaves on the trees are not green either. In the fall, we can pick or harvest lots of vegetables. In the fall, the leaves start to turn brown and then fall off the trees. There are not as many plants because the season after fall comes winter. Do you see the patterns of these seasons? A season is a time of year. There are 4 different seasons in one year. Boys and girls, if you look carefully at this picture, you will see what the trees look like in each season. In winter, there are no leaves, just snow. In spring, there are a few leaves and buds or fruit or flowers. In summer, the trees are fully green. And in the fall, the leaves start to turn different colors because soon they will be brown and fall off the tree. The seasons show us a weather pattern. A weather pattern is a change in the weather that repeats. How often does this pattern repeat? Every year. This is a pattern that repeats every year, as we will see these 4 seasons every year. All right, boys and girls, now it is your turn to do some first grade jobs. You can read this week's packet to learn more about the 4 seasons and what they look like. Then you can do these pages. Here on the Sum It Up page, you will solve a riddle. Do a drawing activity and match these pictures to their seasons. On this page, you will use the clues to complete the crossword puzzle. For example, number 1 says the season that follows fall. What season comes after fall? You will find number 1 and write one letter in each box. Boys and girls, the words are up here in yellow. And on this last page, the instructions say to cross out things that do not belong in each picture. Each picture shows you a season. What is something that does not belong in that season? Alrighty, have fun, scientists!